we are setting off on our little adventure to the Peak District.
Yeah, we're going to be camping for a few days, exploring the bouldering spots and celebrating Jack's birthday.
And exploring the peaks.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yay!
So we have just got to our campsite and it is my birthday and it's glorious out. There's a little patch of blue sky right there. Love it. How are you today, baby?
Happy. Buzzing.
Fucking buzzing.
Up north. Ah, the buzz's in. Oh no. Oh.
And she bought me this lovely ring for my birthday.
Doesn't mean anything.
And our first plan of today is to hike up here. Right, we are starting our ascent up the booth. And this is what she looked like. Isn't that right, babe? How are you feeling about the ascent?
Stop.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. It is 10:52. I reckon it's going to take us about 35 minutes. Ooh.
Yeah,
half an hour.
Actually, yeah. Yeah.
Let's get it. Just the last little push now.
I'm fine.
Fucking fine.
It's great.
And the time is 11:08. What's 2 minutes?
Yeah.
How do you feel, babe?
Brilliant.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
There's Jack playing with his favourite toy. He loves that drone more than me. So we've made it to the top of a peak in the Peak District. Don't know which peak it is, but I will let you know later. It's actually really spectacular over here. Not bad at all. Now I'm going to try and do some bouldering somewhere. After Jack finished his packing away his little toy. Bouldering!
Yeah, baby, a little boulder.
We love rocks.
So we have made it to the little rock climbing place. Stunning.
Yay, stunning!
Right, first boulder of the day. This problem here. I can send it. You ready?
Always ready.
Born ready.
We then headed back from Stanage Plantation to our campsite, where we went out for some drinks and then headed back to our tent for the remainder of the evening and watched the stars.
On our final day, we woke up early and headed to a well-known bouldering spot called the Roaches.
After a full day of climbing, we headed back to our campsite and then headed to Manchester the next day. Thanks for watching, and please join us for our next video where we're heading to Costa Rica.